Well, the Northeast is bracing for some winter weather today.
Yeah, they expect to get hit hard. Some parts could get up to 18 inches of snow when that storm strikes. Sydney Cameron is at the Right Now desk with a live look at conditions and how the snow could impact you.
Well, locally, we are seeing some school changes because of that same system that's not really going to bring a ton of snow to our area, but a ton of snow out there in the Northeast. These are the latest look at school closings. Avery County Schools in North Carolina is closed today. Buchanan County is on a 2-hour delay. Carter County Schools right here in our area is closed. Dickinson County 3-hour delay. Johnson County closed, and Mitchell County is closed as well. Wise County, Virginia schools, you are on a 2-hour delay. And meanwhile, there are going to be thousands of kids in the Northeast who are staying at home today as well. Let's take a live look at New York City, where the mayor canceled classes ahead of that storm. You can see maybe just a little bit. We saw a little bit earlier that there was some snow falling in that area in New York City. I've seen a couple of cars where the tops of the cars are actually covered in snow. So definitely New York City bracing for that impact. Philadelphia is also canceling school today. Let's take a look at some conditions from about an hour ago in Philadelphia. You can see the roads there already covered. Snow is falling, a little bit of wind it looks like. So this is really going to pack a pretty good punch for the Northeast area. Boston is canceling schools as well. And I'm told that this is going to be a pretty fast moving storm, but definitely going to drop a lot of snow. So a lot of preparations are underway. People are stocking up on things, and we'll have more on that coming up in a little bit.